Students, today I am here before you to discuss the topic atmospheric pressure of chapter force and pressure with you. So let's start. As you know that there is air all around us, this envelope of air is known as atmosphere. The envelope of air around us is known as atmosphere. We live at the bottom of this layer. The air above presses down on us with a force equal to that exerted by 1 kg mass on every square centimeter area. This is called atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted on an object by the weight of the column of air above it. So what is the reason that we are not crushed under this weight? So the reason is that the pressure exerted by the fluids in our body is equal and opposite to the atmospheric pressure acting on our body, and so cancels the effect of atmospheric pressure. Let us understand this phenomena with a simple example. The area of the palm of our hand is 100 centimeters square. Let us suppose this. Thus, a force, suppose this have mass of 100 kg. Now suppose a force equal to that exerted by mass of about 100 kg acts on your palm due to the atmospheric pressure, but you can't feel it because an equal force is acting from within your hand, which balances the force due to the atmospheric pressure and cancels its effect. So to demonstrate the effect of atmospheric pressure that can act on a surface, we need to remove the air from one side of that surface. This can easily be done. For this, we will perform an activity here. So I have a container here of plastic container. Now I will put some boiling water in it. In this bottle I have boiling water. When I put boiling water in it, the steam coming out of the water will expel most of the air from inside the bottle. Have you seen the steam coming out of the water? It will expel most of the air from inside the bottle. About after 2 minutes, screw the cap tightly on the container. Now put the container in a utensil containing cold water with some ice for 1 or 2 minutes. When I will put it here, just wait for the result, students. I will show you its result in the last. I will put it here for some time. Now we will discuss about the applications of atmospheric pressure. So just look here. Here is a rubber sucker on mobile holder. All of you have seen this device in your cars. So here the rubber or plastic sucker hook sticks to the smooth surface of a window pane or a tile when firmly pressed against it. When you press this rubber sucker against this window pane of your car, it will stick to it. This is because pressing it hard expels the air between the sucker and the surface, and that reduces the air pressure. The higher atmospheric pressure outside therefore pushes the hook firmly to the window pane. Is that clear to all of you? Now second example, a drinking straw. A drinking straw works on the principle of air pressure. When you suck on a straw, you suck out the air in the straw, thus reducing the pressure inside the straw. The higher atmospheric pressure on the surface of the drink forces the drink up the straw to your mouth. Is it clear to all of you, students? Now we will look at the result of the activity that we have performed. Here, look at this container. This container is crushed. Have you seen? This is because the steam had expelled most of the air from inside the bottle, and since the steam inside the bottle has also been condensed, the bottle now has a very little air inside it. The atmospheric pressure acting on the bottle from outside is therefore much larger than the pressure exerted by the air inside it. This causes the bottle to get crushed. Clear, students? Thank you.